Are you like me and at least once a month you get an email in your inbox saying, this subscription to the thing that you didn't need, that you meant to cancel last month, has been renewed? And you're like, because you're just throwing money away. This bit of software, this tool is going to change your life. I've just bought it straight away. I'm using it. It's mega. It's called Subly. It keeps track of your subscriptions. It's really easy to use and I love it. But before we jump into this one, have you seen my magic link? It's changed a little bit now. Click my deals. And all I say is click on those deals. Click my.deals and just click on the link you'll see in description. I always update them. The way I've done it is quite unique. So that if one deal runs out and there's a better deal, I'll change the link. So you just keep on clicking that and you'll always get the best deal for any of my products that I review on YouTube. Of course, sometimes I might miss one, so feel free to inbox me and let me know if a deal's changed or if you find it better somewhere else, and I will update the deal. But right now, this is good. It's simple, it's cool. I think you're going to buy it. It's called Subly, not to be confused with Subly the text auto cue. And let's jump in and have a look at it. Yeah, I just said that because I've noticed that there is another app under the same name that does auto cue, as in subtitles. But here we go. This is Subly, and this is the screen you get to. And it's blooming cool. I'm actually going to change it a bit because I'm going to keep one Subly for all of my business stuff. So, Canva, I pay $12.99 a month for. Manycam, I pay £79.99 per year. Repurpose, brilliant software. Repost your videos anywhere from anywhere. I pay $20 a month. So you simply add them onto it. So I'm going to add a new one. So we've got a new subscription I want to add on, and I'm going to search for the service, and one that I'm a bit annoyed I've got to pay actually, because Google made enough money on me on adverts. But now apparently I've got to pay for Google Workspace. And I've had to delete all the users because I had loads of users on my Gmail, you know, people from the business who we just occasionally use their emails or added them to the calendar. I had like 15 users, and if I was going to carry on with 15 users, it was going to cost me a small fortune. But now we've deleted it, and I think it comes in at £4.10 times 2 a month. It's something like that. It's going up. It's $6 a month, which equates to £4.10. So it's £8.20 a month. So you can pick the colour of it. It's green. If it's already in the Subly database, it'll bring up the icon and you can put it up. You can say when the next payment is due, which is on the 16th of August, and it will send you an email reminder a day before. If it's something that you are not, you're just always going to pay and you don't really need an email reminder, you can just turn off the email reminder off, and that's as simple as it is. And you add the subscription and there it is. So that's not just what it does. With the subscription I've got through the link, you get up to 100. You can add 100 subscriptions to this. Has anyone got more than 100 subscriptions? Doubt it. But you can also add new projects. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have one project for all my work stuff, everything that I pay out to make these videos. So there's me. That's what I'm recording this on now. Manycam. Canva's what I do some of the artwork on. Repurpose is where I repost the videos. And then Amazon Prime isn't really for this. It's more personal, isn't it? So I'm going to create another one for all me personal. And you could actually just use that as a budget planner as well. There's no reason why not. You could add your mortgage on that, your gym subscription, everything onto that. And you can have as many as you want. And you can pick the categories. So if you look at Canva, I've just put all of mine as software. I thought that was the easiest thing to do. It's actually, but there you go. You see Canva is in as design, but I think you can just have them all as software. I'm not sure about that. And then you can see where you're spending it. It's very good, and it gets deep into the analytics. I'm not sure I'd use all these analytics, but one thing it is going to do, it is going to make you realize how much you're spending out every month, because I do it. There's so many things that I forget to cancel, and it's like must cancel that, and it rolls on for another month, and you just work out what you really need and what you don't need. So we can get quite good onto it. There's reports. There's when it'll lay it out like this. Your average subscription cost is £10. Your monthly expenses are £50. My most expensive subscription is Repurpose. It's worth it though. Check it out. There'll be a link in this. Well, I'll try and put a link in this description if not, find the video. And then it analyzes what all the stuff is, what category it is you're spending your money on. There are your subscriptions. There's your reports. What else does it show us? Hang on. And there's the settings. Not many settings really. But I think on the personal account you get 5 subscriptions, so I can have 5 different projects. Here's what I will have a look. This is what I get. I get 100 subscriptions. I get unlimited projects, payment alerts. It's ad-free. I'll be able to integrate it with other apps and services and access to new features. So that's what you get through the link. If you want to just add a new subscription and it's not got an icon, you can just put, so if I put YMCA Gym membership, another one I pay £25 a month for and very rarely use. It's a long story. I was going to use it just to go and get a shower when I was living somewhere else for a bit, and I'm still paying it. So I can put YMCA Gym. I can actually put the website, and I think if you put the website, all it'll do, so if I type in ymca.co.uk, I don't even know if that's the website. What it does is it brings up the logo, which is pretty cool. And I can put in how much I pay for it every month, £25 a month. It's taken out monthly, and my next payment is going out on the 30th of August. I always remember that one because it's the same time as me blimmin' mortgage. And you just add the subscription. There it is. You can change the colours of each one, and you can just click on them and have a look. This isn't going to be a long video. That's what it does. It's not expensive. Get on it if you think it could change your life. Be disciplined with it, and make sure you spend, you know, a couple of hours filling in everything, and then every time you get a new subscription, keep this on your bookmarks bar and just log in and log your subscription, because then you won't forget, and it'll send you a reminder a day before, and you go, oh yes, I must cancel that one. And I think it'll save you a lot of money in the long run, and it'll also keep an eye on your finances. So is there anything else for me to show you? Not really. It's got the reports, it's got the list, it's got your subscriptions. You can add lots of different subscriptions. You can add up to 4 different projects. Well, I think it's unlimited actually, and it's very, very versatile. And let's jump out and have a look at my final thoughts. That's Subly. Yes, please. I'm going to be disciplined with it. I'm getting good in my old age at actually realizing that if you spend a bit of time doing stuff like this, it can change. Well, it just keeps you organized, doesn't it? If you've got a business that's got lots of subscriptions going out, you know, if you've got accountancy software going out, if you've got advertising fees going out and regular subscriptions, it could be amazing for you. And I would imagine even the, you know, even a medium-sized business, you're unlikely to have more than 100 subscriptions. And I'm sure you could probably contact them and get that upped if you really needed to do it. So, yes, I've bought it. When I was going to try it out, I was like, nah. And then I tried it for 2 minutes and I bought it straight away, and I'm going to use it. Would I recommend it to friends? Totally. Anybody who needs to, you know, so many little subs now. The world has moved to monthly subs from buying stuff outright, except that you can buy this one outright. Click on the link. And yeah, I'd recommend it to friends. Thanks for subscribing. I hope you're enjoying my style of doing these videos. Keep them real, no fancy studio, just me, a camera, and running through lots of great software. So it does help me to grow if you do subscribe. So thanks very much for doing that, and I will see you with another of these wonderful videos. I didn't sleep much last night. I'll see you with another one soon.